right. I wanna love you every day and every night.
Hey guys, it's Alethea and welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting in touch with my Caribbean side and I'm going to show you how to make plant-based, vegan, jerk chicken minus the chicken tacos. If you guys like spicy food and you like tacos, this is definitely the recipe for you. This recipe combines amazing flavors, amazing textures. We're topping it with a delicious mango coleslaw that you can totally eat on its own. It's so good. And we're going to combine all of that together and put it in a taco. Like, who doesn't love tacos? Exactly. So, without further ado, let's get into this recipe. To begin our recipe, we're going to be starting out with our chicken substitute. For this, we are going to be using king oyster mushrooms. Regular oyster mushrooms will work just as fine. I tried both of them and they both work. You can find either of these at any Asian supermarket. So we're going to go ahead and cut the tops off of the mushrooms, and we're going to also cut the bases off. Then over a bowl, I'm just taking a fork and I'm shredding the mushroom. This actually is super easy. All you have to do is just pierce the mushroom with the fork and just shred up and down, up and down. Tiny pieces will start to fall apart, and then you can just use your finger to break the rest of the mushroom apart, kind of like what I'm doing here. The texture of these mushrooms is so rich and meaty, oh my goodness, and they really don't have much of a taste, so you can kind of manipulate them to taste like anything. I'm definitely going to be using these in so many recipes. It's such a good replacement for meat if that's what you're looking for. I definitely actually prefer this over jackfruit. Shh, don't tell anybody I said that. And once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and grab some pre-made jerk seasoning. You feel free to make your own jerk seasoning. I wasn't doing that today just because I wanted to keep this recipe as simple as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and warn you guys, I love spicy food, so I'm adding a little over a tablespoon of this, but this is super duper spicy. If you just like a little bit of a kick, not pow all the way in your face, I would go ahead and cut back on this. Take this as a disclaimer, you have been warned. Go easy on the jerk seasoning if you are not in the spicy gang. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this and just give this a really good mix. Make sure I'm coating all of the mushrooms evenly. And then I have a baking sheet here. I just sprayed a little bit of olive oil because I did not have parchment paper. And we're gonna go ahead and spread the mushrooms out an even layer. I already had my oven preheated at 450 degrees. And we're just gonna pop this in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes. So while we are baking this, we're gonna go ahead and start on our mango coleslaw. So to a bowl, I'm adding purple cabbage, nappa cabbage, carrots, scallions or green onions, whatever you call them, cilantro, and mango. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my spices in. I'm just adding salt, pepper, and some chili powder. And then I'm adding in maple syrup, avocado oil, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a good stir. Here's a little hack for mango. Right now, mango's not in season, and I didn't want to take my chances on picking one that didn't taste sweet. So I actually just used frozen mango, and I put the mango in a bowl of water to let it defrost, and yeah, it tastes amazing. And at this point, our jerk mushrooms should be ready to come out of the oven. So to a skillet, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of avocado oil, and we're gonna add some sliced white onions, and then we're gonna add our mushroom mixture. We're gonna give that a good stir, and we're gonna stir fry this for about 5 to 8 minutes. This is just a extra step to really hone in on that authentic Jamaican jerk flavor that is so good. And then we're ready to go ahead and assemble our tacos. Super easy, right? So I've already went ahead and put my tortillas on a skillet just to get them a little toasty, and I'm just adding a layer of the jerk mushroom and I'm topping it with a mango salsa. And then I had this green sauce in the fridge. You could find this at Walmart, that's where I got it at. And I just mixed this with a little bit of vegan mayo, just trying to get it a little fancy, making a creamy green sauce. And I went ahead and topped that on top of the tacos. And you guys, when I tell you that this was so fire, this recipe bangs, it's so good. I highly recommend this. Make this for yourself, make this for your family, make this for your friends, make this to impress your man, make this to impress your girl, whatever it is. Please make this. Comment down below if you are going to make this and let me know what you think of this recipe. Also, let me know if you want to see more Caribbean inspired recipes by me. I have a bunch that I want to show you, but yes, this was so fire. So good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an upload from me. And also be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
We'll share the same room, yeah. But